Discover the ultimate recreational paradise nestled in the heart of Arkansas, offering a rare combination of natural beauty and outdoor adventure. This remarkable 4,580-acre property, featuring timber, private lakes, and direct access to over 340,000 acres of the Ouachita National Forest, is a dream come true for nature lovers, hunters, and adventure enthusiasts alike. Located just 90 minutes from Hot Springs, Arkansas, this property provides the perfect balance of secluded serenity and proximity to historic attractions. With diverse terrain, the property includes a stunning 22-acre watershed lake fed by Packsaddle Creek, rolling timber ground, and a mix of marketable pine and hardwoods. Whether you're exploring vast tracts of contiguous land or smaller parcels, you will find exceptional access throughout, with paved and county road entrances and miles of interior roads. The landscape provides a perfect environment for a variety of wildlife, including white-tailed deer, wild hogs, black bears, and turkeys, making it a premier hunting destination. Join family and friends on endless trails within the National Forest, or enjoy other outdoor activities such as camping, fishing, horseback riding, or off-roading on this beautiful countryside. Take advantage of this rare opportunity to own a piece of land where adventure, relaxation, and natural beauty await at every turn. For a qualified showing, please contact Jeff Lovin or Alan Treadwell or visit HaydenOutdoors.com.